This is the FYLINA Silicone Toilet Bowl Cleaner, Toilet Brush, and Holder. So this toilet brush comes in a few different parts. So you have the holder here. We'll take a look at that in a sec. And here is the brush. It came in sections, so these were just unscrewed from each other. And then this is a different piece there. So all you got to do is just put them together, screw them together. And so it looks like it's something that, it looks really solid. I haven't used this yet. That's why I'm able to do this review without being grossed out. And the end here is all silicone. So you'll see that these are all silicone bristles. They're very high quality. They're not loose, they're not popping off, they're not breaking. So I trust that this is going to last quite a while. One of the things I like about this is it seems like it's going to be a lot easier to wash off than your typical bristle brush. Looking forward to not having this one get so gross. Also, it comes with this holder, and inside the holder in the bottom there's this little disc that has a sticky adhesive on it that you can slide up into this hole right here, this keyhole type thing. And so if you want to, you could stick this on the wall. I don't know why you would stick the toilet brush holder on the wall, but it has that option. You can mount it on the wall if you choose. We're not going to do that. I'm just going to set it on the floor. One of the things that is interesting about this holder is it has this nice little tab here that you could pull out, and then you have this tray. So inside, you can see there's the bottom of the brush holder, and there's a few little holes down there. And then at the bottom it'll drain into this tray, so instead of having it get all gross and nasty where you can't clean it, which is how our current toilet brush holder has been, this one, if it drains down into the bottom there, you can slide this out and you can wash this out, so it's not going to be so totally nasty, and hopefully that'll last us a lot longer than our current brush. So that is the FYLINA toilet brush and holder. It's a silicone toilet brush and holder set for your bathroom. Hope you enjoyed this review. That's my take.